Channel Doris's Daily Deeds, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty, luxury to lifestyle. As you can tell by the title, we are finally going to just really take a deep dive into this bag right here. You guys ask about it all the time. It's always just coming up. Like, you guys always want to know the deets on this bag. So I'm like, let me go ahead and just finally share everything, all the scoop about this bag here. Before we get started, I want to say first, thank you. I'm almost at 400 subscribers and I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. I'm not sure where I'll be by the time this video gets posted, but I'm pretty sure I'll be either there or real close. So thank you guys so much. Continue to just keep liking the videos, sharing, just engaging with me, and of course, you know, just showing your girl some love, because I really do appreciate it, and it's really helping me to continue to grow here on this platform. And without further ado, we are going to go ahead and just jump right into the video. Okay, so first things first, guys, I want to go ahead and just say that I've had this bag now. I'm not 100% sure how long it's been, to be honest with you, but it's been some months. I want to say maybe 6 months or something like that. So I thought it was the perfect time for me to finally just kind of like really go into detail about what I like about the bag, what I don't like about the bag, why I almost returned the bag, why I didn't return the bag, and all of the things. So let's first start off by me saying that overall I really do like this bag. I really think it actually definitely helps fulfill a lot of the needs that I had, that I really didn't even know that I had prior to even purchasing it. And I almost thought I was going to return the bag because it had like a little defect right here, but I missed the window, and a part of me is so happy that I didn't return it, because this is honestly like one of my most used bags, to say the least, because I'll go ahead and get into that now, how open it is. Now, at first I was like a little apprehensive about the fact that it was so open, but now that I'm really like looking into it and I've really had a chance to use it, I think this is honestly like the perfect diaper bag. It's like the exact size that you need when you are just kind of running to maybe like the store or something like that, and you don't really like need to carry like a full-on diaper bag, but you definitely still want to be able to access all your things. And then you have your wipes, your diapers, and all of that. So I kind of want to just come on here, show you what fits inside of it, of course, and how I usually wear the bag. And the main thing that I did not like about the bag was this part here. So as you can see, there's this strap on here. Now, this is a strap that I actually purchased off of Amazon, because y'all, the strap that came with this bag, actually, give me 1 second. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the strap so you can kind of see what I mean. Hey guys, sorry about that. Okay, so here's the strap that this bag comes with. And see this part here? I'm not sure. I don't know if this was even really the strap that was supposed to go with this bag. And let me tell you why. I'm gonna post up a picture of how the bag is advertised on Farfetch now. And that strap that's on Farfetch is not giving what this strap right here is giving. I'm not sure if maybe they had a lot of complaints on the strap on this bag or what, and they went ahead and changed it. But I'm really tempted to call customer service and ask them, like, why, you know, what's going on? Because when I called them, I told them that the bag was defective because the strap wouldn't go in. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of just run through and show you what I mean now, just so you kind of know what you're up against when purchasing this. All right, so I'll just take one side off of the other strap because it ain't gonna go on anyway. So listen, look, so guys, this, I don't know how, or if you were able to get this through here. If you were, let me know. Maybe it's something I'm doing wrong. This does not fit, excuse me. This does not fit in here. Look, I'm trying to show you guys, like this is basically next to impossible. I mean, so as you can see, it's just not, it's not going. And then let alone does this even go properly on top of this? Like, so it's supposed to kind of, you know, slide through here if I'm understanding this correctly. This is supposed to go through this like hole here, and then this part is supposed to kind of do this, like go through this part. I really hope you guys can see that, but it's not doing it. So I'm not understanding the point of what this strap was supposed to do. So I chalked it. I was out of the return window. I waited too late, and I said, okay, let me go ahead and just try to just carry the bag as a top handle bag, which is mainly how I carry it, until I found this handy dandy strap here from Amazon. This is just a regular canvas strap. Of course, I will have it linked in the description box because I think it's perfect for what this is. It was very inexpensive. I definitely think it was only like $12.99. We're all about affordable luxury here on this channel. And yeah, so though that was my biggest gripe with this bag, was that strap. I needed to figure out an alternative, and I was not about to break the bank or spend hundreds of dollars on this because this bag was fairly, it's priced at a very reasonable price point for contemporary bags. I believe this was like, it was like under $300 with the discount. So really good. And I get so many compliments on this bag all the time. I'm like, I gotta show my subbies, the people that have been asking me, commenting really in detail why they should purchase this bag, because somebody recently just said, hey, what is that bag sitting right there? Somebody else asked me, like, what bag is that? So I decided to go ahead and do that. I love the fact that it has the feet at the bottom. It's amazing. And I just think, like I said, if you're a person that, like, you know, you're a mom and you need that in between, or you just a person that does carry a lot of stuff, but you want to be able to access things really quickly and have structure. Because a lot of times when you see bags this size, they don't have as much structure in this size frame. You know, I see a lot of bigger bags that are structured, but for this to be like kind of like a smaller tote, I really think you get a really good bang for your buck. So here it is. I'm going to go ahead and kind of show you how I pack this. And generally, I put in, let me go ahead and just grab some diapers, wipes, and then like my wallet and everything, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so now, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and kind of just show you what I usually put inside of my bags. And I don't know, it may vary for different people. I don't carry that much stuff, so you'll see. But first things first, of course, I always have to have extra diapers with me. I'm at the end of the pack of these diapers, so I'll go ahead and just remove them from here. So I'll just go ahead and throw those in. Wipes. I never leave the house without diapers and wipes. My handy dandy Prada key holder. You guys know I like swear by this, so that I can just put right in there. This is my car key. It normally is inside of the Prada key holder. For this video purposes, I'm going to go ahead and just put it on one of the inside pockets that is right here, that I guess I didn't even talk about. But yeah, this bag definitely does come with compartments. 2 inside pockets right here. And there's also a zipper compartment too. A zipper compartment is in the bag. Hopefully you guys can see. But I'm going to put it, just slip it right here in one of the side pockets, so be easy access. Pair of sunglasses, and these are actually my Free People sunglasses that I just got in, and I'm so excited about. These are so cute. I love these. They were on back order for the longest, and they randomly just showed up. I honestly gave up on them. Bought these like in April, and here we are. So yeah, these, which can just go right on top because there's still so much space left in my wallet, and I just use the Louis Vuitton key clay, so all my stuff is zipped up, and I'm just gonna sit that in the inside pocket of here and zip it. And still, all my main items that I need to be, I'm pulling this strap out, all my main items that I need to be secure are still in very secure places, which I do appreciate because this is a wide open bag. But the things that I need easy access for, right here. So if I need to get wipes and diapers, I mean, it's like, when I tell you it's so easy, I don't have to worry about a flap. I don't have to worry about a zipper. I just can go right into it. So I definitely see the benefit of this. I could still carry it as a purse without it looking just, you know, because some places you go, you'd be like, why she got that big old bag? But this is perfect. I'm really, really happy that I stuck with this and kept this, because like I said, I generally choose to wear this bag. If I have on black and I have other bags to choose from, but I know I'm gonna have my daughter with me, this is it. This is that girl. This is her. This is the one that I'm using. Wear and tear, there is no wear and tear. There's no tear, there's nothing. Like, this bag is still in pristine condition. When I tell you I have gotten my cost per wear, because I wear this bag pretty much whenever I'm leaving. Like I said, and I have my daughter, this is the bag that I choose. I may sometimes do a bigger tote depending on where I'm going, what I'm wearing. If this like looks like it's clashing or something, then I won't. But wear and tear, this is exactly how it was when I bought it. I don't see anything. I had like something white that had got on here. I just wiped it off, and great quality. Other than this, I still, you know, I didn't like it, but like I said, I missed the window. It really wasn't worth me selling it or getting rid of it, because this bag just really, really serves a great purpose for my lifestyle, and couldn't have asked for a better bag. So I'm really, really excited that I have this. I don't really have, like I said, the cons. I kind of already went through them. That was the strap. I went ahead and remedied that by just getting this Amazon strap, which I think goes perfectly with this canvas or this material here. And there you have it. So if you have any other questions, just let me know down in the comments. I will be happy to answer them for you guys. And I want to say, if you've made it this far, thank you guys so much for sticking to the end of this video. I will have everything linked down below if you're interested in this bag. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.